Welcome to What You Get For, the series brought to you by the Focus on Nova team, where we explore properties that we've sold and then look at the down payments that would have been necessary to buy it and what your monthly holding costs would be. Let's take a look at this property in Rolling Valley over in West Springfield that sold for $855,000. So let's take a look at what you can afford for your money. We have to make a couple of assumptions for the taxes as well as your homeowner's insurance. So we assume $1,200 a year for homeowner's insurance plus about $8,000 a year for your taxes. When you take all of this at a 5.25% interest rate, when you have a 20% down payment, your monthly carrying cost would be estimated to be $4,512 per month. If you'd like to conserve cash, you can always go for a 10% down payment. At 10% down, your monthly carrying cost would be $5,485 a month. Less cash down, but more monthly carrying costs. This is directly affected with the introduction of mortgage insurance, which would drop off after you get to 20%. Lastly, if you'd like to conserve cash, you have the option to go into a 5% down payment. While this conserves cash, it does mean that you would need to have a higher monthly payment at $6,000 per month. As you can see, there's lots of different ways that you can structure your home mortgage payment, and we are here to help, along with our trustee lenders who can help advise the best loan program for you. For more information about how you can enter home ownership and structure your best loan possible for your budget and circumstances, contact the Focus on Nova team today.